Why blueberries are my favorite snack? First of all, it's very good for your health. But the major reason is the less amount of time it needs to prepare. So, yeah, you heard me right. Whenever you want to eat it, you just need to clean. There is no chopping, cutting, or peeling unlike other fruits. So, I buy them from Costco in a big bunch. And then once I get home, I wash them with water, vinegar, dry them, and freeze them. So whenever I need something to munch in, I can just quickly wash them again and they are ready to eat. Blueberries have a lot of health benefits, such as it helps you to control your cholesterol, blood sugar. They are rich in antioxidants. Also, they can help with UTI.